What's good, YouTube? Mr. Radio RT back at it again, coming with a classic video for y'all boys. All right, so we out here. You see the cars, you see the setup. Everybody in their charges. We're gonna get y'all a good quality video out here. We're gonna do some reviews. We're gonna do some different stuff. I'm gonna shoot it all, put it all in one video so y'all can see what's going down. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, and always like, comment, subscribe, man. Go on, hit that like button. Send me a comment. Tell me which Charger out here is getting it. You know, because I think all of these bad boys are nice. We are lovers of all Chargers. So tell me which one is your favorite. No hate out here, baby. No hate. I love them all. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I need y'all to subscribe to the channel. Man. All right, y'all see it? Mr. Radio RT. Miracle Whips. House Life. My boy TJ over here. Y'all see it across the board. 5-inch tips all the way down. Everybody, 5-inch tips. 5-inch tips. You know, Rob got to be different. Go with the white 5-inch tips on them, boys. Only one you gonna see like that. One of a kind. With the 40s, gotta do it. Ooh. There she go. With 5-inch tips. Alright. 2018 Daytona 392. A little louder, right? Yeah, just
sound what? So what do you have on yours? Big muscle delete either. Yours sound a little louder than mine.
Well, let me get out the way. Let's get there. Oh, that bad boy air.
So we're gonna do the V6. 5-inch tips. What you got on yours?
Here we go with the V6, VA, V8, GT, straight piped. I like it. I like it. I like it. Smooth coming up.
We got Ready RT over here.
All right, we got the
2016.
2016.
What you got done?
This one just has a mid muffler delete and welded on 5-inch tips.
Okay.
I think they're already hot. They ain't no cold start, so yeah, these are all hot. They've been moving.
Get Ready RT.
They're going on one more time. All right, that was my own. All right, let's go, house. Let's see. Not yet. Not yet.
So y'all comment below. Ready RT, TJ39. We did it myself. I think ours sound damn near the same. The only thing with me and TJ,
6'4",
you can
6'4",
hear that thing open up a little bit.
6'4".
I think that's the only thing we can
So we trying. They hot already. But let's see. It's the 5.7 right here.
What do you have?
It's a 5.7. Uh-oh. He already started.
So 5-inch tip and no cats.
No cats. So let's hear it. RT, guys.
No cats. Oh yeah. Tell me whose was the loudest. Oh, okay. We are here. And that bad boy opened up. Never mind. You don't got to tell me. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Who's the loudest?
6 sound louder. Go get the taser real fast. I'll show
Okay.
you.
Getting loose out there.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta send that clip, brother.
Well, that's definitely on point.
Go ahead, Rob. Tell him how it's really done.
I don't like doing that shit on Forgiatos though. I don't want to mess up the wheel. The wheel cost too damn much.
Now look at him, and it was his Forgiatos. Imagine me being behind the seat and being like, yeah, I'm definitely was babysitting.
But hey, didn't I just give him permission to do it?
He did.
Yeah, he gave him permission.
All right.
He talking about let me do it.
Remember,
Hell no.
look. His channel's called YouTubing on a budget. But the thing that people forget is everybody's budget ain't the same. Just because you YouTubing on a budget don't mean your budget the same as mine. My budget is not the same as Rob's budget. Okay? So I'm going to YouTube and do burnouts with my budget
when I was
versus
in that
his.
bitch, I don't know, we went too far, but that bitch went in neutral. That's it. He did a little something. Hey, that mug looks good. Look at that guardrail, bro. Hey, that mug, I ain't gonna lie, that mug look good. I'm gonna get this some tie stickers, though. I like the way that shit
That's
look.
what I'm saying.
Don't hit that post.
Balls in, bro.
Hey, them tie stickers look good, bro. That boy acted a fool. Hey, that's his first time burning all this shit. First time. What y'all think?
I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty good, brother. Dang, brother.
I think he should quit though.
He said, I think he should.
All right, guys, man. Like I said, man, y'all need to subscribe to my channel, man.